before this day starts asking questions, before notifications appear, before responsibilities take shape. Notice this moment. Right now, nothing is missing. Nothing needs fixing. Nothing needs proving. Gratitude begins here, not as excitement, not as forced positivity, but as simple recognition, inspired by a Louise Hay style mindset. These affirmations are meant to gently guide your thoughts toward appreciation, balance, and calm clarity. You don't need to change your life this morning. Just allow your thoughts to soften. Let gratitude set the tone. I begin this morning appreciating where I am. I acknowledge the support present in my life. I am grateful for the quiet start of this day. I appreciate having another day to experience life. I recognize the stability around me. I am thankful for the awareness I carry. I appreciate my ability to pause and reflect. I am grateful for the progress I've already made. I recognize value in my present moment. I appreciate the calm available to me now. I am thankful for the effort I've put into myself. I appreciate the structure supporting my life. I am grateful for my current circumstances. I recognize abundance without comparison. I appreciate the consistency in my routine. I am thankful for the experiences that shaped me. I recognize the strength I've built over time. I appreciate the resources available to me. I am grateful for my ability to adapt. I recognize peace in this moment. I appreciate the foundation beneath me. I am thankful for emotional awareness. I recognize progress, even in small steps. I appreciate the calm pace of this morning. I am grateful for inner steadiness. I acknowledge the support surrounding me. I appreciate the balance I'm creating. I am thankful for the lessons I understand now. I recognize value in my current position. I appreciate the clarity arriving within me. I am grateful for the life I'm living today. I acknowledge the work I've already done. appreciate the stability I've built. I am thankful for my present awareness. I recognize abundance in everyday moments. I appreciate the calm rhythm of my life. I am grateful for what sustains me daily. I recognize the strength of my foundation. I appreciate my emotional balance. I am thankful for steady progress. I acknowledge the peace available to me. I appreciate the ability to choose gratitude. I am grateful for my current resources. I recognize fulfillment without pressure. I appreciate the direction I'm moving in. I am thankful for the support I receive consistently. I recognize abundance without urgency. I appreciate my ability to stay grounded. I am grateful for present stability. I acknowledge the simplicity of now. I appreciate the comfort I experience today. I am thankful for what already works in my life. I recognize peace without effort. I appreciate the clarity gratitude brings. I am grateful for my personal growth. I acknowledge the reliability of my life. I appreciate the structure supporting me. I am thankful for emotional steadiness. I recognize abundance without excess. I appreciate the calm start of this day. I am grateful for my present experience. I acknowledge the value of what I have. I appreciate my grounded mindset. I am thankful for steady awareness. I recognize fulfillment in simplicity. I appreciate the trust I place in myself. I am grateful for inner consistency. I acknowledge the support of life itself. I appreciate where I stand today. I am thankful for present comfort. I recognize abundance without comparison. I appreciate the peace in my thoughts. I am grateful for emotional clarity. I acknowledge the stability I feel. I appreciate the direction unfolding naturally. I am thankful for the progress I trust. I recognize value in my daily life. I appreciate my steady mindset. I am grateful for the calm within me. I acknowledge this moment fully. I appreciate my ability to appreciate. I am thankful for current balance. I recognize abundance in being present. I appreciate the rhythm of my day. I am grateful for the support beneath me. I acknowledge peace without forcing it. I appreciate the awareness I carry forward. I am thankful for my present foundation. I recognize the richness of now. I appreciate the calm energy of today. I am grateful for the opportunity to pause. I acknowledge what is already enough. I appreciate the quiet confidence growing in me. I am thankful for the steadiness I feel. I recognize peace in acceptance. I appreciate my present clarity. I am grateful for where I am today. I acknowledge the support within and around me. I appreciate the grounding of gratitude. I begin this day centered, aware, and thankful. Let the words fade. They've already done their work. Gratitude doesn't need repetition. It needs presence. As you move into the day, you don't have to hold every affirmation. Just carry the awareness they created. This calm, this steadiness, this quiet sense of enough, that's what stays with you. Today doesn't require more from you. It simply meets you where you are. And that is something worth appreciating.